balloon. C is for car, car. C is for cloud, car. C is for cloud. C is for cloud. C is for door, D is for dog, D is for door. D is for dog. Grass. H is for heart. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for ice cream. Iron. J is for jar. J is for juice. J is for jar. J is for juice. K is for kettle. K is for key. K is for kettle. K is for key. L is for ladder. Ladder is for lamp. L is for ladder. L is for lamp. N is for mailbox. N is for moon. N is for mailbox. N is for moon. N is for nail. N is for nine. Nine is for nail. Is for nine. O is for orange. Orange. O is for O is for orange. O is for P is for penny. P is for pear. P is for penny. P is for pear. Q is for quack. Question mark. Q is for quack. Q is for quack. Question mark. R is for red. R is for rocket. R is for red. R is for rocket. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sunflowers. S is for sunflowers. T is for tomato. T is for unicycle. Tomato. T is for track. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for unicycle. Unicycle. V is for visor. A mirror is for violet. V is salad. O for visor. V is soft. Z is for white. White is for watermelon. Is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for Xbox. Xbox. X is for xylophone. X. Y is for yellow. Yellow is for yogurt. Yogurt is for yo-yo. Yellow is for yogurt. Z is for zero. Zero is for zebra. Zebra is for zero. Z is for zebra.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. Clap your hands and say it all. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. Let's keep singing, don't you lag. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for igloo. We're learning letters just like that. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lemon. Bright and yellow, what a sight. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for octopus. Let's keep learning, you're the best. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rocket. Flying high, what a scene. S is for sun. T is for tiger. Is for umbrella. Rainy days just got brighter. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Tap and play, never fail. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now